Oh, hi! So the only advantage of working from home is that I could grow out my beard, but little did I know that beard maintenance is no joke. मैंने रिसर्च करके देखा and I found out that just like your hair, your beard needs appropriate products to look uniform and manageable. In this regard, the Thrive Company Beard Care Kit has been a revelation for me. It's a no-fuss 3-step beard care kit that has given my beard volume, uniformity and manageability. The beard wash feels super luxurious. Plus, it's an easy rinse off formula, so it only takes me a minute to thoroughly cleanse my beard. But my favorite has to be the Beard Growth Serum. This has transformed my beard by bringing uniformity in the patchy area, and it takes only a minute to apply it. Finally, I use the Beard Love-Oil-In-Serum for styling and setting up my beard. So that's it. 5 minutes and I'm done and my beard looks amazing. I have upped my beard grooming game and now you can try it too.